Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadget Audit. So today we're looking at 10 clever gadgets on Amazon that are all about making your life just a little bit easier, smoother, and more organized. All the links to check these out are waiting for you down in the description and the first pinned comment. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. First up is a gadget that turns your boring desk into a live, interactive command center, the Divoom TimesGate. Okay, calling this just a digital clock is a huge understatement. It's a cyberpunk-themed display with 5 full-color screens. Sure, it tells time and the weather beautifully, but where it gets really clever is with its app. You can customize it to show live information that matters to you, like social media notifications, stock tickers, game stats, or even your calendar, all at a glance without touching your phone. It's also a pixel art playground. You can create or choose from thousands of animations to give your workspace personality. Plus, it works with Alexa and IFTTT for smart home control. It's a brilliant all-in-one dashboard that organizes your digital life into one sleek, glanceable display, making it easier to stay informed and inspired. Next up is a gadget that gives you superhuman vision in tight spaces, the Anykit USB Endoscope. How many times have you dropped something behind a heavy appliance, wanted to check a drain pipe, or just see what's going on inside a wall or your car's engine? Fumbling with a flashlight never works. This is a tiny HD camera on a long, semi-rigid cable that you plug directly into your phone's USB-C or Lightning port. It's incredibly simple. No extra apps to pair, just plug and play. You can bend the cable to snake it into hidden spots, and the adjustable LED lights illuminate dark corners. It's waterproof and great for DIY inspections, finding lost items, or even checking on plumbing. For the price, it's like having a professional inspection camera in your drawer. It turns a frustrating blind guessing game into a quick visual check, saving you so much time and hassle. Moving on to number 3, let's talk about a tool that makes one of the most common DIY tasks incredibly simple, the BOSCH Laser Distance Measure. Ever tried to measure a room alone with a tape measure? It's awkward and the results are often a guess. This little device solves that completely. Point the laser dot at a wall, press a button, and it instantly gives you a precise distance measurement up to 100 feet away, accurate to within a 1/16 of an inch. It fits in your pocket, has a clear backlit screen, and operates with just 2 intuitive buttons, one to measure, one to round your measurement. Whether you're planning furniture layout, checking dimensions at a store, or working on a home project, it delivers instant, reliable numbers with one hand. It turns a 2-person, frustrating job into a 1-person, 1-second task. For anyone who ever needs to measure anything, it's a massive upgrade that pays for itself in saved time and avoided mistakes. For number 4, let's talk about a gadget that makes fiddly little repairs an absolute breeze, the Fanttik E1 Max electric screwdriver. We've all been there, trying to carefully open up a gadget, a toy, or a pair of glasses with a manual screwdriver that slips or just doesn't have the right bit. It's frustrating. This tool is the elegant solution. It's a sleek, pen-sized electric driver with 2 precision torque settings and a whole manual mode, so you can work on everything from a laptop to a watch without risking damage. The whole package is brilliantly designed. It comes in a magnetic case that pops open to reveal the driver and a whopping 50 different S2 steel bits. You'll always have the right one. It's rechargeable via USB-C and feels fantastic in the hand. It's won major design awards for good reason. For your kitchen drawer, toolbox, or desk, it turns annoying, delicate tasks into quick, confident jobs. It's the perfect example of a gadget that just makes life smoother by being exactly the right tool for a common, pesky problem. At number 5, we have a gadget that feels like a superpower for your existing vacuum, the Bahuun LED Vacuum Laser. Here's the brilliant problem it solves. You vacuum a floor, it looks clean, but is it really? This compact laser attachment clips onto the nozzle of almost any stick or handheld vacuum. Turn it on, and it projects a powerful green laser line across your floor. Suddenly, every single speck of dust, pet hair, and crumb throws a shadow, becoming completely visible. It's a game changer for pet owners, parents, or anyone with allergies. You'll see exactly what you're missing in real time, ensuring a truly deep clean. It has a great battery life, a secure grip, and it instantly upgrades your current vacuum into a smart, dust-revealing tool for a fraction of the cost of a new high-end model. It makes a tedious chore more effective and satisfying. For number 6, let's talk about a gadget that practically automates one of the most tedious little chores in the house, the EyeVac Touchless Vacuum. Here's the scene. You sweep up a pile of crumbs, dirt, or pet hair, then comes the awkward dance with a dustpan trying to get every last bit without spilling it. This clever device eliminates that step entirely. It's a slim, low-profile unit that installs against your baseboard. You just sweep debris directly towards its slot. The magic is its infrared motion sensor. As your broom approaches, it automatically turns on, powerfully sucking up the entire pile hands-free. Then it shuts off. It's always on and ready. For pet owners, parents with messy floors, or anyone who wants to avoid constant bending, it's a small upgrade that makes daily cleanups dramatically faster and easier. Next up is a simple tool that solves one of the most frustrating parts of DIY projects, getting a perfect fit around irregular shapes. This is the Saker Contour Gauge. Imagine trying to cut a piece of flooring, a tile, or a countertop to fit perfectly around a wonky pipe, a curved molding, or an uneven wall. Measuring is nearly impossible. This tool is the clever solution. It's a strip of hundreds of small, movable pins. You simply press it against the irregular shape, like a baseboard or a window frame, and the pins lock into place, creating an instant physical template of the exact contour. You then transfer that outline directly onto your material for a precise cut. It's made of durable, lightweight plastic and is indispensable for installing flooring, trim, backsplashes, or even doing auto body work. For anyone who tackles home projects, it's a ridiculously affordable tool that eliminates guesswork and wasted material, making complex cuts straightforward. For number 8, let's make mornings easier. This is the Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker. If your morning routine feels rushed and grabbing a fast food breakfast sandwich is a common temptation, this gadget is a game changer. It's designed to do one thing perfectly: assemble and cook a hot, fresh, customizable breakfast sandwich in about 5 minutes, and it makes 2 at once. Here's the beauty of it. You control the ingredients. Use your favorite bread, a fresh egg, better cheese, and quality meat. It layers, cooks, and seals everything together in a neat package. The non-stick plates make cleanup simple, and a timer lets you know when it's done. It turns a hectic, often unhealthy morning choice into a simple, satisfying 5-minute ritual. For busy parents, students, or anyone who wants a hot breakfast without the hassle or cost of eating out, it's a small appliance that genuinely simplifies your day. For number 9, we have a gadget that turns your wrist into a portable toolkit, the Lemasa Multitool Bracelet. This isn't jewelry. It's a series of tough, stainless steel links that you adjust to fit your wrist, and each link is a different usable tool. We're talking hex wrenches, screwdrivers, a glass breaker, a bottle opener, and more, all cleverly integrated into a sleek, wearable design. It's the definition of always be prepared. Whether you're out hiking, need to tighten a loose screw on a camping chair, or just want a bottle opener at a picnic, the tool you need is literally on hand. It's durable, low profile, and far more practical than digging through a junk drawer or a crowded toolbox. For your EDC or emergency kit, it's a brilliant piece of functional wear that ensures you're never caught off guard by a simple mechanical problem. And for number 10, we're finishing with a gadget that upgrades one of the most fundamental parts of your home: the front door. This is the GHome Smart Fingerprint Door Lock. This isn't just a lock, it's a keyless entry system designed for seamless living. It offers 4 ways to unlock: a fast and accurate fingerprint reader, a keypad for codes, app control via Bluetooth, and of course, a physical key for backup. No more fumbling for keys with groceries in hand or worrying about lost or copied keys. The self-learning AI improves fingerprint recognition over time, and all your data is stored locally, not in the cloud, for privacy. Through the app, you can grant temporary access to guests or service people, see an entry log, and it even auto-locks behind you for peace of mind. It runs on a rechargeable battery for about a year and installs easily on most standard doors. For simplifying your comings and goings and enhancing home security in one sleek package, it's a brilliant modern upgrade. And that's our list of 10 gadgets designed to make your life easier. From smart displays and laser tools to keyless entry and automated cleaning, each one tackles a specific hassle head-on. If any of these problem solvers caught your eye, you'll find all the links ready for you down in the description. Which of these would make the biggest difference in your daily routine? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to Gadget Audit for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.